Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A jury does not have to convict a guilty person of a crime if they believe that the appropriate application of the law will have unjust or immoral results, or if they would like to send a larger social message. On average, bald men save $800 a year on hair products and barber. The ocean's average depth is about 3,682 meters, exceeding 2 miles, with the deepest point being the Challenger's Deep at approximately 10,935 meters. In the Caribbean, there are oysters that can climb trees. Warren Buffett filed his first tax return at age 13 to report income from his paper route and claimed a $35 deduction for use of his bicycle. A completely blind chameleon will still take on the colors of its environment. Dik-diks weigh between 3 and 6 kilograms. Fathers who look like a grizzly are often the most caring parents. Panphobia is the fear of everything, which is a pretty unlucky phobia to have. Elephants don't drink through their trunks like a straw. White-tip reef sharks huddle to rest together. Some bees will drink human tears as a protein source. Elephants form a massive herd in the rainy season. Vampire bats can carry the rabies virus in their bites. Identical twin doctors delivered a twin boy and girl at the same hospital. Where they were born, it happened for the first time. Cheetahs can aim at prey from 5 km away. V.L. Chopra is considered the father of biotechnology in India. Great grey owlet nestless with mom in cramped tree nest. The polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, was originally invented by Kary Mullis in 1985. Some moths never eat anything as adults because they don't have mouths. They must live on the energy they stored as caterpillars. Plasmids are extra chromosomal self-replicating, usually circular double-stranded DNA molecules. An additional 20 minutes commuting each day lowers job satisfaction, equivalent to a 19% pay cut. In the late 1960s, US Congress proposed a measure known as a Uniform Monday Holiday Act, where all federal holidays fell on a Monday, as a way of creating more 3-day weekends for the nation's workers, thus reducing employee absenteeism. The first day of filming Harry Potter. In rare cases, trauma to the right frontal lobe of the brain can result in an individual developing neurological symptoms characterized by a tendency to make puns or tell inappropriate jokes. 74% of people plan on handing out candy for Halloween. There was a man who retired at 61 and became a perpetual hiker. Over 15 years, he walked over 34,000 miles. He became the first known person to hike the entire Appalachian Range in North America, from Newfoundland to the Keys and more. 37% of people would eat food that had been dropped on the kitchen floor. A Cinnabon Classic has less sugar than a 20 OZ bottle of Pepsi. Yams and sweet potatoes are not the same thing. About 153,000 people will die on your birthday. DC Comics paid $130 for the exclusive rights to Superman. Frozen water found outside our solar system. The dark side of the universe. In the entire Lord of Rings film trilogy, no two female characters ever speak to each other. Beginning November 1, 2016, the US State Department will no longer allow people to wear glasses in their passport photos. The mascot for the Arkansas School for the Deaf is the leopard. Think intellect. What you see may not always be the truth, but a deeper truth lies hidden within the heart. Resides in the feelings, emotions, and wisdom we carry within. The truth lies beyond what you see. Top 5 tools helping mental health in rural areas. Samatvam. Buddies app. Tata's Trust Mental Health Program. Kiran Helpline. iCall. Thanks for watching.